Take 95. How's everyone doing today? Today we're going to be reviewing a knife I've been carrying around for a couple months now, and that is the Milwaukee 5-in-1. I really have enjoyed carrying this knife around. It has been a great tool. A lot of good features, and then really I just have one big negative on it, which I'll get to later in the video. Right now I want to cover the basics of it so I can give you a well-informed decision whether you decide to look at buying this knife or not. So we'll start at the very important aspects of it. The adult beverage opener, can opener, works great. Opens bottles, cans. Well, it's not a can opener, it's a bottle opener, excuse me. But works just fine. Positive lock. It's got a liner lock system in it, but it has a positive lock, which prevents this from opening up like when you're using bottle opener, or just opening up in your pocket in general. Depress the button here. Knife opens right up. Standard liner lock inside. Close that knife right down. A little bit of practice. Once you've used it a while, all you gotta do is push the button. Yeah, know what I mean? Flick the wrist. It's a little hard to do on camera. I did it the first time right. I'm having to reshoot this whole thing. So Tanto style blade, which has been a great design, able to get in to cut zip ties real easy, get it in a little bit harder to get places, not have to worry about breaking your tip off, because these Tanto style blades have a very strong tip. The serrations right here work great for stripping wire. Just takes a little bit of practice. And then the thumb hole right here, or the thumb slot I should say, I don't think it's that great. It's pretty much hidden by the finger wells here, and it's just like you can get at it like this, but it really doesn't make a difference in grip, because you still got to do this, pinch it, open it. They could have done without putting it in there. Really, it just lightens the blade up a little. Pocket clip. Milwaukee's wire pocket clip. I think it's one of the best ones out there, to be honest with you. I never get it caught on equipment or when I'm working in an area. If I got it in my pocket, just in general, doesn't get caught in the truck, doesn't get caught in furniture. So far, I've used these, and then the fast knives, the razor knives. Reversible pocket clips, so you can carry tip down, tip up, which would be real nice if you reached in, hit your button, pull it out, snag it on the pants, open it up. Very generous lanyard hole here, so if you have to work at height and you want to carry this knife with you, you can do that. You can tie it off to your bungee. If you drop it out, you know you're not going to lose it. You have positive retention over it, which is a feature I like in a working knife, especially if you're going to be doing electrical, electronics, if you got to get up at heights, stuff like that, excuse me. Well, this video isn't going to be perfect, is it? Right here you have the bit holder. That by far is one of the handiest parts of this, because it acts just like a full-size screwdriver. You can get into it in any space that you'd use any multi-bit that I have found so far. Has a liner lock in it, prevents it from closing on you, which has been really nice. Comes with flat tip, flathead, flat tip, flat blade, whatever you want to call it, and then a number 2 Phillips, and then a standard quarter-inch bit driver, bit holder. How to use a spring retention to hold the bit in. The only downfall is I broke my Phillips bit while I was working, and they do not make replacements for it. That is actually why I quit carrying the knife, is it bothered me that bad, because I use this with the Phillips head probably more than I use the actual blade itself. And it just has annoyed me to no end that Milwaukee would make a great knife like this, but they won't offer a replacement bit for like a couple bucks. I mean, personally, I think it's a missed opportunity, make some good, extra revenue coming in on that. I mean, because I would gladly pay, $5 to get a new bit. But nevertheless, so far I've yet to see them. I looked it up on their actual parts little catalog thing, PDF you can look up on their website, and the only thing you can order for these knives is the pocket clip, which I think is a little silly, but because this pocket clip, you can fully take this thing out, re-bend it back if you were to ever get it caught, which I never have. So but yeah, that's the knife. Honestly, yeah, for 25 bucks, I still think it's worth it. If I can find a bit, or someone else out there finds bits that'll fit down in here with this spring style retention, then all I gotta do is carry like a little holder for the bits. I'd be willing to do that, to be perfectly honest. I wouldn't actually mind that, because then I could carry the Phillips head, some Torx heads, some Allen head type bits, and I think it would actually make this tool even that much better. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like this video, give me a like, give me a subscribe. It helps the channel out a lot. Also, I'm now a brand ambassador for the Beard Struggle. So all my viewers on here, all the people that follow me on social media, if they go to thebeardstruggle.com, put in my code at checkout, which is ChanceTheViking15, you'll get 15% off your order, and that actually, I get a small commission off that. It actually helps out the channel a lot. I plan on trying to use every bit of that money that comes from that to grow the channel and grow social media, bring y'all better content. I also have new equipment now. I'm not just filming on my phone, stepping up in the world. I'm using a GoPro with a media pod. Let me know how this video turns out. Really appreciate some feedback on that. Let's see, what else? Just thank y'all for watching, man. Till next time around. See you later.